cannot be broke and be listening to Gega advice. Okay, which money we won't give girl? No verse.
Okay, na person wey get money dey listen to.
Now, if you're rich, at least he's trying to teach you how to calm down with your money, to control your money, so that your money will not control you tomorrow. You understand?
The advice wey dey give to guys wey dey hear Gega advice.
Anyway, I don't have anything for them. Congratulations to them. They should continue. You know, saying that.
Continue.
You know, saying that broke asshole people. Do go to Gege University. No, I don't have any advice. Just congratulations to you guys.
What of girls wey dey listen to Sarah Brush advice? Wetin you go tell them?
Now also the same thing. Congratulations to them. As for me, I support Gege. Yeah.
But not a good person. You be Black Jesus. You not be good person. A Black Jesus you be.
Why you support Gege?
Nothing.
So wetin dey talk na true?
No, not be true, sha, but true damn for people where they rich, not people where broke. You cannot be broke and be listening to Gege advice. Okay, which money we won't give girl? No verse.
Okay, na person wey get money dey listen to.
Now, if you're rich, at least he's trying to teach you how to calm down with your money, to control your money, so that your money will not control you tomorrow. You understand? So that's why he's advising guys, not broke ass people that like, you see a broke guy wey never even chop. They write Gege advice. What you won't give girl now? I beg, no.